Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में. Admissions open.
Just a day after Iraqi PM Mohammad Shia al-Sudani returned from a visit to the US, nearly 5 rockets were launched in the wee hours of Monday, stationing a United States-led coalition from northern Iraq towards a military base in Syria. The attack was confirmed by 2 Iraqi security sources who stated that outlaw elements backed by Iran were behind the attack on the US military base. However, a US official on the condition of anonymity confirmed that it was a failed rocket attack since no US personnel were injured, adding that an aircraft from the US-led coalition in Iraq and Syria quickly retaliated against the launcher. Pertinently, between mid-October and early February, the Islamic resistance in Iraq has claimed responsibility for numerous attacks on US forces to stand in solidarity with Palestinians and protest against the US for its support for Israel. Meanwhile, immediately after the attack, Iraqi security forces launched a major search operation in northern Nineveh province, locating and destroying the vehicle used for carrying out the assault against the US military station in Syria. Iraqi security destroyed the vehicle that was involved in the attack, while Rami Abdel Rahman, director of the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights War Monitor, implied that the Iran-backed group, the Islamic Resistance in Iraq, had staged the assault. Notably, the attack comes 3 months after 3 United States Army soldiers were killed and more than 30 service members were brutally injured in a drone attack, the responsibility for which was taken by the Islamic resistance in Iraq. US President Joe Biden had slammed Iran for conducting brutal strikes against the US Army stationed in northeastern Jordan along the Syrian border. It is essential to note here that the US maintains approximately 2,500 soldiers in Iraq and nearly 900 across the Syrian borders as part of an international coalition formed in 2014 to combat the Islamic State group. Today's incident coincides with the already escalating tensions in the Middle East, including a recent incident where an explosion was reported at an Iraqi military base early on April 20, which claimed the life of a member of the Popular Mobilization Unit's PMU and injured 8 other people. Israeli and US officials said neither of them were involved in the explosion, which came just a day after a military strike on Iran that has been attributed to Israel.